Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Google Calendar to Windows 11 taskbar using Opera GX browser. For this, first open Opera GX browser and then visit Google Calendar website and then sign in to your account and then minimize this one window. Now click on this one start button, search for Opera GX. In the search results, right click on this GX entry, select open file location. Again right click on this one shortcut, select open file location. Now you will see this one launcher application. Right click on this one, select here copy as path. Now close this one window. Right click on the free space on the desktop, select here new, then shortcut option, paste this one copied path, then put one space, then hyphen, and now type URL. Again put one space and now copy this one Google Calendar URL and then paste it at the end of this one location box. Then click on this one next button, name it Google Calendar. Then click on this one finish button. Now you will see a desktop shortcut for this one Google Calendar. Right click on this one Google Calendar. Select here show more options. Now click on this one pin to taskbar. This will pin a Google Calendar to the taskbar. Whenever you will click on this one icon, it will open Google Calendar in a new tab in Opera GX browser on your Windows 11 PC.